The 14th Dalai Lama has rejected China's insistence that it will choose the successor of the Tibetan spiritual leader. Dr Zoe Bedford is the executive officer from the Australia-Tibet Council and joins us now. The Dalai Lama has said no external entity has the right to interfere in the process of selecting his successor. Why has the Dalai Lama sought to make that very clear?
Dalai Lama's had to make that clear and public today because we know that the Chinese government is interfering in the process of selecting the next Dalai Lama. Not only selecting the next Dalai Lama, but really any Tibetan Buddhist reincarnated Lama. Under the Chinese government's Ordinance Number 5, which is called the Measures of Management of the Reincarnation of Living Buddhas in Tibetan Buddhism, put into place in 2007, they've made it very clear that they believe that they have authority to select Tibetan Buddhist leaders, including the Dalai Lama, because they are a country that has occupied the formerly independent country of Tibet.
Why does China want to choose the successor?
They occupied Tibet in 1950. Tibetan people were an independent people. Under Mao, they decided to occupy their neighbour Tibet, and the Chinese government has never been able to actually have legitimacy there and win the hearts and minds of Tibetan people who have their hearts and minds solely with the Dalai Lama, their spiritual leader.